I'm Kirsty and I've teamed up with Earthwatch Europe to bring you ideas and inspiration about how to have a wild weekend. This week I'm going to be telling you how to help local wildlife as the winter hibernation season starts to come to an end and animals begin to emerge. 3 UK mammals enter true hibernation: hedgehogs, dormice and bats. Amphibians like frogs and toads hibernate too, and what we'd usually find in this woodland area like badgers and squirrels become a lot less active in the winter. But when the greenery starts to show and spring peeks its head over the horizon, that's when it's full steam ahead. March and April are the time where animals start to come out of hibernation, so now is the perfect time to show them how to get stuck into spring and give them a helping hand. So lots of animals will be leaving their hibernation nests around this time and heading off to find food, to breed and to raise their young. And you can help them to get to where they want to be by simply adding a wildlife passageway. So cutting a hole in a garden fence just about the size of a CD case, or even snipping away at any wire to create a lovely tunnel that will help wildlife move freely in your local area. So these create amazing passageways and corridors for wildlife that allow them to find enough food and water and the breeding partners that they need to thrive. Having something like this, a log or leaf pile in your outdoor space, is really going to help animals find shelter on their travels. This is also going to attract lots of tasty invertebrates. So living in here will be things like slugs that hedgehogs love to eat. In your outdoor space, other shelter is going to help as well. So you can have densely planted areas with shrubs and native hedgerow. You can even install hedgehog houses and bee hotels. And speaking of invertebrates, now is the perfect time to get planting for pollinators. So adding flowering plants to your outdoor space is a great way to attract invertebrates who are key for a functioning and healthy ecosystem. They can provide food for bats who are coming out of hibernation at this time of year and searching for a good meal. So several species of bat in this country are threatened with extinction, so the more food we have for them, the better. And invertebrates can also provide food for birds who've been busy all winter and they're going to be even busier with nesting and rearing their chicks in the springtime. So this weekend, do something huge for nature. Check out our Naturehood guide on how to create a wildlife passageway so that all the wildlife that's waking up and trying to find food and water can do so nice and safely. Maybe have a chat to your neighbour and see if they'll install one too. Together we can make the biggest difference. Thanks for watching, it's over to you now. So click on the link to download everything you need for this weekend's activity, and don't forget to subscribe to the Earthwatch Europe channel for your weekly dose of ideas and activities to get you connected with nature.